Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video also, I will give some important formula on integrations. Please write down. Prove that integration of 1 by x square minus a square into dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. This is very important formula. Let us see the proof. First, consider the inside function, which is 1 by x square minus a square. 1 by x square minus a square can be written as x plus a into x minus a, because it is in the form of a square minus b square. What is the formula for a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. That's why denominator becomes x plus a into x minus a. Now multiply the numerator with 2a and divide with 2a. So it becomes 2a whole by x plus a into x minus a. Write 1 by 2a in the outside. 2a getting cancelled, you can get the similar result. Now we are observing that in the denominator we have x plus a and x minus a. That's why add 1x in the numerator and subtract the x. So you will get x plus 2a minus x whole by x plus a into x minus a. This can be written as 1 by 2a whole into x plus 2a can be written as x plus a plus a minus x. In the denominator we have the similar terms, x plus a into x minus a. So we are observing that x minus x getting cancelled, a plus a is nothing but 2a. 2a can be written as a plus a here, and 2a getting cancelled. Now split the terms. Now we separate the terms here. That is equal to 1 by 2a whole into, by separating the terms, x plus a by denominator, x plus a by x plus a into x minus a plus a minus x by x plus a into x minus a. So this can be written as 1 by 2a into x plus a getting cancelled. So in the denominator we have only x minus a. Here a minus x and x minus a are same but opposite signs. That's why here you will get minus 1 by x plus a. So this is the given function. The result of this one is this. Now consider the given integral. Integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx can be written as integration of 1 by x square minus a is nothing but this one. So 1 by 2a is the constant term. Write outside the integration directly. So 1 by x minus a minus 1 by x plus a whole dx. This is equal to 1 by 2a into, what is the integration of x minus a? Integration of 1 by x minus a. It is in the form of integration of 1 by ax plus b. What is the integration of 1 by x plus b? In previous session already we discussed about this formula. Log mod ax plus b to the base e, but x coefficient should be right in the denominator. 1 by a log mod ax plus b to the base e plus c. This is the formula for this type of terms. Here also coefficient of x is 1. That's why directly log mod x minus a to the base e. X coefficient is 1. That's why it is not necessary to write 1 by 1. Minus here also you will get log mod x plus a. Otherwise you can see one more model. Derivative for the denominator is numerator. So it is in the form of f dash of x by f of x. Derivative for x is 1. Derivative for constant is 0. So integration of f dash of x by f of x is log of denominator. You can use this formula, otherwise integration of f dash of x by f of x, both are same. Here also Derivative for the denominator is numerator because derivative of x is 1 and derivative for the constant a is 0. That's why you will get log mod denominator to the base e. So 1 by 2e into, by applying logarithmic properties which is log m minus log n, you will get log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. This is the formula. So integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx is equal to 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Okay. Similarly, we get another formula. I will write here. Similarly, integration of 1 by, this is x square minus a square. Now we are going to discuss about 1 by a square minus x square, which is equal to 1 by 2a into log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. These both are very important formula. Please see the examples on this both formula. This problem, find integration of 1 by 4 minus x square into dx. Solution. Consider the given problem. Integration of 1 by 4 minus x square dx is equal to, this can be written as 1 by 4 can be written as 2 square minus x square dx. 4 can be written as 2 square minus x square dx. Clearly we are observing that this is in the form of integration of 1 by a square minus x square. Integration of 1 by a square minus x square. What is the formula for integration of 1 by a square minus x square? 1 by 2a into log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c. According to this formula, this integration becomes to 1 by 2a. What is a value? A is 2. This is a value. So 1 by 2 2s are 4. 2 2s are 4. Log mod a plus x, which is 2 plus x by 2 minus x plus c. In this way, we can solve the given problem. Please see the next example. So, two terms are in addition. So, directly separate the terms by using linear property. So, you will get integration of 1 by x square minus 25 dx plus integration. Phi is the constant term. That's why write in the outside of the integration 1 by 25 plus x square into dx. That is equal to, here 25 can be written as 1 by x square minus 25 can be written as phi square into dx plus 5 into integration of, here also 25 can be written as phi square plus x square dx. Now try to understand the structure of the problem here. This is in the form of integration of 1 by x square minus a square form. A is equal to 5 here. So what is the formula for integration of 1 by x square minus a square? Just in previous we discussed about this formula, which is 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. According to this formula, this becomes 1 by 2 5s. 2 5s are 10. I will write in the next step log mod x minus a. X minus a is 5. So x minus 5 by x plus 5 plus 5 into, what about the structure of this formula? This is in the form of integration of 1 by a square plus x square. So what is the formula for integration of 1 by a square plus x square? 1 by a tan inverse of x by a. So please try to understand the difference between these three formulas. Okay, this is integration of 1 by a square minus x square dx. This is 1 by x square minus a square dx. This is integral 1 by a square plus x square dx. In this case, it becomes 1 by a tan inverse of x by a plus c. So 1 by 5 into tan inverse of x by 5 plus c. Tan inverse of x by 5 plus c. So here 5 getting cancelled, 2 5s are 10. So 1 by 10 into log mod x minus 5 by x plus 5 plus tan inverse of x by 5 plus. Okay. Now I will give some more formula on integrations. Please note down. These are the next set of formulae integration of root over a square minus x square dx. Second one, root over a square plus x square dx. Next one, integration of root over x square minus a square dx. Okay, please try to understand the difference between these three formulas. Okay, I will write these all formulae in similar way. Okay, don't by heart this formula. You should writing the formula of these integrations. Every integration has x by 2, x by 2, x by 2. Okay, here we will get similar term, which is root over a square minus x square. Here also you will get this similar term here, which is a square plus x square. Here also you will get this similar term in the product, which is root over x square minus a square. Okay, now in the second part you can see this formula. If the square root is in denominator, which is integration of 1 by root over a square minus x square dx, we get the formula sin inverse of x by a. That's why here you will get plus a square by 2. Here also first you will get plus a square by 2. Here you will get minus a square by 2. I will say the reason why it is minus. Now here, if this denominator is in the denominator, sin inverse of x by a will become. So sin inverse of x by a plus c. Integration is over with this part. That's why write plus c. Next one. If this term is in denominator, what is the formula? Integration of 1 by root over a square plus x square dx. Already I told in the previous video, which is sin h inverse of x by a. That's why here in the product it becomes sin h inverse of x by a plus c. Okay. Now if this term is in denominator, we have a formula which is integration of 1 by x square minus a square dx, which is cos h inverse of x by a. Whenever cos will come, here negative sign will appear in this formula. So it is cos h inverse of x by a plus c. In this way you should by heart this formula. Okay, formula here. Okay, don't forget this formula. Actually in examination point proofs are not necessary here. However, I will give the proofs of this formula in the climax of this chapter. Okay, please see the examples on this formula now. Please note down. These are the examples. Please see. Consider the given problem. Integration of root over 4 minus x square dx is equal to, here 4 can be written as 2 square minus x square. Okay, clearly we are observing that this is in the form of integration of root over a square minus x square. Then what is the formula for integration of root over a square minus x square dx? In the first part we should write x by 2 and you will get similar root, which is a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. According to this formula we can write the result of this integration now. Here don't forget one thing, a value is 2, a is nothing but 2. So first part is x by 2 root over similar part 2 square is nothing but 4 minus x square plus a square by 2. What is a square? 2 square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a. What is a value again? 2 plus c. Just I am applying this formula here. This is the result. So x by 2 into root over 4 minus x square plus 1 2 getting cancelled. So remaining term is 2 into sin inverse of x by 2 plus c. This is 2 marks problem, very important. Please see the next one. Find integration of root over 16 plus 25x square. It is better to make the coefficient of x square is always 1. Okay, that's why First take this problem, and that given problem becomes to integration of root over, to make coefficient of x square is 1, take common out the 25 from this both parts. 25 into, here you will get 16 by 25 plus x square into dx. But what is root over 25? 5. 5 is the constant term right outside of the integration. And remaining part can be written as, how can we express 16 by 25 now? 4 by 5 whole square plus x square into dx. Clearly we are observing that this is in the form of integral root over a square plus x square. Here a is nothing but 4 by 5. So what is the formula for this one? 5 into x by 2. First you should write x by 2 into root over a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a plus c. Now replace the values. Here a is nothing but 4 by 5. So 5 into, already we have x is x only, but a is 4 by 5. So you will get x by 2 into root over a square is nothing but 4 by 5 whole square, which is 16 by 25 plus x square plus a square. A square is nothing but 16 by 25 by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a value, which is 4 by 5 plus c. So you should write one more step. 5 into x by 2 into root over 16 by 25 plus x square plus 60, this 2 getting 8 times, 8 by 25 into sin h inverse of 5x by 4 plus c. In this way we can find out the integration value. Okay, thank you very much. In the next class I will say another problems on integrations. Thank you.